on an Airplane, written by Margot Oliver, illustrated by Nina De Polonio. Focus question: What steps do you take to ride on an airplane? Words to know: airplane, pilot, seat, snack, ticket, window, connections, writing and art. What else can you see on an airplane? Draw a picture and write about it. Science. Think about an airplane and a car. How are they the same? How are they different? Share your ideas with a partner. The ticket, the pilot, the bag, the seat, the window, the snack, the sky, the airplane.